All right, welcome back to Global Exchange 2023. My name is Benjamin Turner. I am your host and behavioral health advocate. We are sitting down at the Lightning Step couch with Alice Bemand, the Director of Development for High Watch Recovery. Alice, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Benjamin. I appreciate being invited.
Absolutely. So tell me a little bit about yourself and High Watch Recovery and why you're here today.
Okay, for sure. So I've been with High Watch Recovery Center for about 5 years.
Mhm.
I was initially hired for a capital campaign. We opened up a brand new detox center
Okay.
a year ago,
Okay.
and that's really exciting that we were able to expand what we're able to do. And then I ended up morphing more into working on the Global Exchange Conference.
Okay.
And Global Exchange, the whole idea of bringing together people from mental health,
Mhm.
addiction treatment, wellness, and leadership, it actually gelled during COVID,
Mhm.
which is a time that we recognize a lot of people in the behavioral health profession were getting severely burned out.
Absolutely.
And at the same time, being aware of the fact that we have addiction conferences, we have wellness conferences, we have mental health conferences, and we wanted to bring them all together
Yeah.
in the same place.
Mhm.
And hence, the Global Exchange Conference was born. We decided to come to Disney, thinking back to wanting to offer something to all of those hardworking behavioral health professionals who
Okay.
were feeling a little burnt out.
Yeah.
So while we're providing so many amazing workshops, we're also in Disney.
Yeah.
Tonight we're going to go to Epcot and have some
Yes.
fun.
Yeah.
We had an amazing launch party, which with a band and all sorts of fun activities.
Mhm.
So we're just trying to really step up the whole conference idea.
Absolutely. Well, I can tell you personally, I appreciate you bringing us all to Disney. I'm having a blast, and I'm looking forward to Epcot tonight as well. You had mentioned staff burnout, and I just want to touch on that a little bit. What can we do to reduce staff burnout?
Well, in fact, we have a number of different amazing workshops going on here today
Okay.
that specifically address that. And I thought it was interesting. They asked me to introduce a workshop on
Yeah.
burnout this afternoon. And I don't know if they figured by the time we got to Global Exchange with 25 sponsors, 160
Yeah.
exhibitors, and a couple thousand attendees, that I was probably feeling a
A
little
little
bit burnt out
burnout. Yeah.
by this
Yeah.
point.
Yeah.
So we're doing our part by saying, come spend time learning, networking with other people, but have a little bit of fun too.
Absolutely. Absolutely. No, I think it is important to have a little bit of fun. We are working with, a lot of people in some of the hardest times of their life, and we have to be caretakers of them. And that can be a heavy load to carry at times. So
Mhm.
we do appreciate you bringing everybody together, bringing everybody to such a fun place. Is there any last words you want to throw out there about High Watch or about GXC that we haven't covered right now?
Oh, that's a good question. Well, I want to say, I know what I'd like to say. I'd like to say I feel really proud of what our organization has done.
Absolutely.
High Watch spearheading the conference. We worked a lot with NAATP,
Hmm.
National Association. And when I look around the room and I see the people that are here, people who are texting me and emailing me and saying this is the best conference that they've ever been,
Yeah.
it makes all the hard work so worthwhile.
Yeah.
And we're not even over yet. We still have another day
Yeah,
and a half left to go.
absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything exciting planned for next year, or do you have anything in the works?
Well, we already have our dates scheduled
Okay.
because we are coming back, to Disney World, and it will be October 6th
Okay.
through the 9th, 2024.
Awesome.
So we'll be opening up registrations pretty much as soon as this conference closes. We'll
Great.
go right into the next year.
Awesome. Awesome. Love to hear that. Really appreciate your time. Again, we have Alice Beemand here with Director of Development with High Watch Recovery. She's doing a lot of work here at GXC. So give her a pat on the back if you see her walking around, and a big hug. She'll need it after the week. So appreciate it so much.
Thanks very much, Benjamin. Pleasure
Absolutely.
talking to you. Thank you.
Bye.